this is the right side fender of my 55, and it had a really nasty crease in here. It's still got lots of little dents there, a little bit of creases there, another dent there. But this was real bad, and this is my second night of pounding it out, so it's starting to get there. I'm learning how to do this. A buddy of mine has been showing me the ins and outs of metal finishing, and if I grab something that is straight, you can kind of see that it's getting relatively flat. Yeah, I got some low spots I need to still hammer out, but that's a lot of work, and I hope to be able to master this skill.
That high, and you're out. See how it's shiny right there? Trying to blend all that in.
And that was the hammer-on dolly,
that was
right?
Yeah, I was fucking putting the dolly right here, and I was smacking down. I was trying to get rid of that real high crest that you see right here.
Yeah.
See all these little islands are going away.
Looks a lot better than it did.
Yeah. So right here, I just same thing. A little back smack. Find the dolly that fits the fender. So now I have the dolly right in here. Here now. Dolly's down here. Trying to get rid of these little islands right in here. That's all you're gonna do. You're gonna do that until they're all gone. And a lot of that right here is see, it's stretched, so we'll shrink that.
Right in there.
Yeah, it's stretched. That's low now, but that doesn't matter. Once that shrinks down, you can actually, when it's low, you can work it out.
Okay.
When it's way up high, like a mountain, it's a bitch to bring down. You have to shrink it. Anyways.
Dent right here in the eyebrow. Kind of hard to get to. You can't get anything back here, so I got to get behind it. I'm going to use one of our spoons, kind of find that dent. And I'm going to push up on it, tapping. So this is a shop-made spoon. Joe made it, and he's got quite a few, but this one's really cool. Find the high spot again. I think that's about as far as I want to go. Maybe I can get a little bit more out of there. I think I'm starting to distort the Fender over here. Oh, there's another one right there. Got most of that out, so I am left. If you can see, there was another dent right there. There's another small one there, but I'm kind of getting the hang of it. It's a little bit of voodoo.